Your personality is amazing. You just chill. It ain't nothing wrong with being chill because everybody can understand that. You just being Tony. And that's what we like to see. You being you.
Perfect.
What's going on, YouTube family? This your boy Tony TV, and we gonna be making some chicken parmesan tonight. Okay, I'm about to say shrimp salad. I don't know why I got shrimp on my mind. For the last couple of days, all I could think about is shrimp. I don't know why. Yes, I have. So we're gonna be eating some shrimp soon. We're gonna have a big shrimp mukbang soon. Chicken parmesan. And probably a salad or probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but hit the like button for your boy, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, man. And let's make this chicken parmesan. Alright, I already washed all the chicken. As y'all can see, these chicken breasts are pretty big, thick. So what I normally would do when they thick like this, because they're gonna take forever to cook. If you try to cook these like that, you're gonna go ahead and throw that on your cutting board, and we're gonna go ahead and cut these bad boys in half. Alright. Alright. That way, when you're cooking them, they're not taking an hour. You're reducing the time. Voila, that easy. This is a good knife too. I forgot where I got this at, but it cuts like butter. And that easy. See how the difference? And these are cooked in no time. Well, that's a little thin, but that's fine. That's fine. But I'm gonna do one more for y'all, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the 6 pieces I gotta do. Try to get that in the middle as best as you can, so it's perfectly in the middle. And you might wanna watch your fingers, please. Voila! Look at that. That cut like butter. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the rest of these and I'll be back. I sliced all the chicken breasts up into halves. You can cook them however you want to cook them. You can cook them whole or you can cut them like I did. But to me, that is faster and better to do. Okay, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need an egg, white, wash, whatever. I use 3 eggs. And I got some breadcrumbs. Well, Italian. This Italian style breadcrumbs. Alright, and you can use whatever kind of seasoning you want to use, but I got some garlic salt, season all, and I'm using a little bit of chili powder today. Okay, you don't want to use it, but I think it's fine to use a little bit. You can't have Parmesan chicken without Parmesan cheese. Okay, oil for your pan. Bam. I added the breadcrumbs to the bowl. I got my big red bowl, as y'all can see today. And we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese to that. Now we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Alright, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to mine. I'm going to add some garlic salt. I'm going to add some seasonal oregano leaves. Voila. Give that a good shake. And we're going to put that in the pot like that. Hopefully it's enough room, because I'm going to be so mad. I'm going to repeat it one more time for y'all. Then I got to get all the rest of that chicken over there. Yes, babe. It's okay. What do you need? Parmesan chicken. Alright, pack it on there. And throw it in the pan. Voila. Now I gotta get the rest of these hundreds left.
Such an exaggeration.
Alright, y'all. I did all the chicken. Well, not all of them. I did as most as I could. Everything coated. You can see the cheese on there. You can see the seasoning and all that. Now I'm just gonna pop this bad boy in the oven, okay? On 400 degrees for, what was it, 15 minutes? Yeah, 15 minutes. Then you want to take them out and then you want to flip them, okay? This is going to be really good, man. This is my first time making Parmesan chicken. Y'all know I love chicken. I love making chicken for y'all. This is going to be really good. So let's see how this turn out, all right? Chicken been in the oven for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and flip these bad boys. Woo, that's hot. Woo. It smells really good. Oh yeah. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and give these bad boys a flip. Come on.
Like the tongs?
No, this is fine. Gotta have that big one in there. These smell really good. These smell really, really. Oh shoot! There I go, making a mess again. These smell really, really good, y'all.
A few moments later.
All right, my chicken breasts are finally done. You can flip it how many times you want. Just make sure it's done, okay? As y'all can see, look at this beautiful chicken. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some prego, roasted and herb. You can use whatever you want. So we're gonna add this to the top. This is gonna be really good. Just enough. I got more if need be more. I'm gonna go ahead and add the mozzarella cheese. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add this oregano.
Just a shake.
Bam. Now I'm gonna throw this in the broiler. I'll say on low. I'm just cooking on low, I guess. For about, not even long, like.
Till your cheese is melted.
Yeah, till your cheese is melted and take it out, right? Oh yeah. This is what it looks like when it's done, peoples. This is, oh my God, if y'all can smell this through your phone. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make some salad on the side. I got some spring mix. We've been eating a lot of salad, a lot. All right, guys, I'm finally done dinner. Let me show you my plate. Look at that. And as always, I'm gonna be taking a bite for y'all, okay? I normally put cheese on my salad. I'm gonna be putting cheese on my salad in a minute, okay? Let's get a piece of this with some salad. Let's get some cheese on there. Oh, that cheese is like, come on, let's get this. Oh God, oh, it smells so good. That's good. That's really good. Y'all definitely gotta try this, man. This is really good. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know, you can use some ranch with your chicken if you want. You know, you're not, you know, whatever you want to do, okay? But thanks for watching, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.